Salitral at Tree Hill Nature Center.
If you are looking for a cool spot to see and learn about our local ecological system, check this place out. The Tree Hill Nature Center is a non-profit wildlife preserve organization located at 7152 Lone Star Road in Jacksonville, Florida. The purpose is to provide an educational experience for visitors to appreciate and learn about the natural environment in Jacksonville.
The city park opened in 1971 and is home to 50 acres of preservation land in the heart of Arlington. Tree Hill is open to the public Monday through Saturday, excluding some holidays, from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
Tickets are $5 adults, $3 for children.
This turtle was adorable. There are 7 walking trails, a hands-on kids museum featuring Florida's natural history, butterfly and hummingbird gardens, a seasonal live butterfly exhibit, and a variety of other animals. It's great for all ages. I walked the Boardwalk Trail and the Happy Trail.
I'll definitely return.
I enjoy the goats. They are friendly and very sweet.
These are some good looking guys. I think we can
Overall, it was a fun experience.
Well, amigos, that's all for today. Bye-bye.
Mwah.